11. Which Indian bank has launched a campaign named Safety Grid to encourage people maintain social distancing while waiting at public places?
A. ICICI Bank, B. HDFC Bank, C. State Bank of India, D. Yes Bank. Show answer. Correct answer, B. HDFC Bank. Notes: HDFC Bank has launched a campaign named Safety Grid to encourage people maintain social distancing while waiting at public places. The campaign was launched in Kolkata on a pilot basis and has been extended to many cities including Delhi, Mumbai and Bengaluru among others.
The safety grid markers are physically painted in front of the retail outlets and ATMs where people wait.
Each grid is spaced at 1 meter from each other, as prescribed by the WHO. 12. As per the recent study of CMIE, what is the number of Indian workers in the age group of 20 to 39 who lost their jobs in April 2020? A. 50 lakhs, B. 1 crore, C. 2 crore, D. 6 crore. Show answer. Correct answer, D. 6 crore.
Notes: as per the recent report by the Centre for Monitoring Indian Economy (CMI), nearly 6 crore Indian workers in the age group of 20 to 39 lost their jobs in April. It revealed that 12 crore jobs had been lost because of the lockdown. As per the report, more than 2.7 crore young people in the age group 20 to 29 lost their jobs last month.
Also, more than 3.3 crore people in the age group 30 to 39 lost their jobs. 11% of the young workers in the age group of 20 to 24 years, who accounted for 8.5% of total employed people in the country in 2019-20, lost their jobs.
The Emergency Credit Line Guarantee Scheme (ECLGS) that was recently in news is associated with providing credit for which sector?
A. Agriculture, B. MSME, C. Automobile, D. Service. Show answer. Correct answer, B. MSME. Notes: the Union Cabinet has approved an additional funding of up to 3 lakh rupees crore through the Emergency Credit Line Guarantee Scheme, ECLGS, for the MSME sector. The micro, small and medium enterprises (MSMEs) that are hit hard by the coronavirus crisis will be granted an emergency credit at the rate of 9.25%.
100% guarantee coverage will be provided by National Credit Guarantee Trustee Company (NCGTC) for eligible MSMEs and Mudra borrowers, in the form of a Guaranteed Emergency Credit Line (GECL) facility. Which institution conducts the Households Inflation Expectations Survey in India? A. National Housing Bank, B. Reserve Bank of India, C. Securities Exchange Board of India, D. State Bank of India.
Show answer.
Correct answer, B. Reserve Bank of India.
Notes: India's central bank, the Reserve Bank of India, conducts a quarterly survey called the Households Inflation Expectations Survey. This edition of the survey is conducted via telephonic interviews across 5,300 households in 18 major cities. The households were asked about general expectations on the economic situation, overall price situation, employment etc.
As per the survey, 85.3% households expect inflation to accelerate in the next 3 months, as compared to 83.3% in March. As per the National Statistical Office (NSO), what is the rank of India as the world's largest economy, in terms of purchasing power parity (PPP) for 2017?
A. 3, B. 4, C. 5, D. 6. Show answer.
Correct answer, A. 3. Notes: the National Statistical Office (NSO) has recently announced that India has retained its position as the third largest economy after China and the US in terms of purchasing power parity (PPP) for 2017. The government quoted the World Bank data and said that India accounted for 6.7%, 8,051 billion United States dollars out of the total of 119,547 billion United States dollars of global GDP in terms of PPP.
India is also third largest economy in terms of its PPP-based share in global actual individual consumption and global gross capital formation. Who is the head of SEBI's revamped Advisory Committee on Mutual Funds? A. Uday Kotik, B. Narayana Murthy, C. Usha Thorat, D. Adi Godrej. Show answer. Correct answer C. Usha Thorat. Notes: the Securities and Exchange Board of India (SEBI) has recently revamped its Advisory Committee on Mutual Funds. As per the recent release of SEBI, the 20-member advisory committee is headed by the former Deputy Governor of Reserve Bank of India (RBI), Usha Thorat.
The panel, which was originally created in 2013, had 15 members, headed by Janki Ballabh. The committee advises SEBI on regulation and development of mutual fund industry. Which state is the top investment destination in India in first quarter of 2019-20, as per projects today? A. Maharashtra, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Gujarat, D. Karnataka.
Show answer.
Correct answer, B. Tamil Nadu. Notes: according to a survey by Projects Today, an online database of projects, Tamil Nadu is the top investment destination in India in first quarter of 2019-20. The investment flow in the state amounts to 18,236 crore rupees, which is around 18.63% of the total fresh investment.
The state has signed as many as 17 agreements in May 2020. It is followed by Maharashtra with investment flow of 11,229 crore rupees. Samarth is an initiative of which e-commerce company to help artisans enter digital marketplace?
A. Amazon, B. Flipkart, C. Snapdeal, D. Shopcluse.
Show answer. Correct answer B. Flipkart. Notes: Samarth is an initiative of e-commerce major Flipkart to help artisans of India that was launched last year. Under the program, Walmart-owned Flipkart had partnered with 5 non-governmental organizations (NGOs) to help local artisans in using the online marketplace to sell their products.
Flipkart recently announced that under Samarth, it has supported 6 lakh artisans to reach around 200 million customers. 19. Which exchange has signed a MoU with Maharashtra-based bullion trading associations to create awareness on organized trading? A. ICEX, B. NSE, C. BSE, D. MCX.
Show answer.
Correct answer, C. BSE. Notes: the Bombay Stock Exchange has signed a MoU with 2 Maharashtra-based bullion trade associations, namely Akola Sarafa Association and Akola Sarafa VA Suvarnakar Yuva Sangh. Through this MoU, the BSE aims to create awareness on price risk management for bullion traders and move them towards organized trading. The MoU is aimed at enhancing the cooperation between Bombay Stock Exchange and physical markets in areas of knowledge sharing, education and training. 20. Which company has won a case against India at the International Arbitration Tribunal, Hague? A. Morgan Stanley, B. PepsiCo, C. Coca-Cola, D. Vodafone.
Show answer.
Correct answer, D. Vodafone. Notes: won case against the Government of India at the International Arbitration Tribunal, Hague.
The tribunal held that Indian government's tax imposition on Vodafone, including interest and penalties, were in a breach of an investment treaty agreement between India and the Netherlands. India had claimed a total of 279 billion rupees, 3.79 billion United States dollars, including about $2 billion as tax, interest and penalties.